What's up everybody? I hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Chromia, or CHR, that's the abbreviation. Yeah, basically because I'm a long-term holder of Chromia, so this analysis might be a little bit biased, but also because the volume is actually great. I mean, 150 million on top of a 360 million market cap, that's great. I think it's a great project. And actually what I didn't know is that since like the 4th of December, when all of this bearish thing started, I mean, obviously the 4th of December we dropped down quite a bit. But since then, we've actually been quite steady between $1 and 50 cents. So that's quite a big consolidation, I know, but still, most cryptos actually dropped down lower than the 4th of December. Chromia didn't, although the fall was quite big on the 4th of December. So, yeah. But yeah, we'll basically do a quick technical analysis, price analysis on it, on Chromia, to see where it can go within the next few days. Quick disclaimer before we get into it: this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis. So yeah, having said that, let's get right into it. What we actually did was find some resistance, or at least a struggle, if you look at the wicks, from that 382 fib at around 62 cents. Then above there was another resistance level at around 64 cents, but when I did the analysis it looked like we were struggling a little bit more, but now we actually look quite bullish. So I mean, the main thing we're looking for right now is getting up to that 68 cents area. So that would be my price target, and I do think we can get there. So we either get there from here, or if we find another resistance at around the 65 cents area, which could happen. I mean, we did that twice with the wicks before. So either we go there from there, or we find resistance here, take a break retest off of 60 cents or the 60 cents region. It's quite a big key level, but I guess we'll drop down to around 60 cents. And get there from here, and get there to 68 cents from there, 60 cents, if that's clear. And as of right now, I do think that it's more likely that from that 68 cents area, I mean, if we're very bullish, we could even shoot through to 70 cents, but I do think that full area that will cause some resistance. So I do think we will pull back to quite a big region as well, I'm gonna call, but between 62 cents and 60 cents again. Just because I mean, this is quite a big move, but you can also see from the wicks that the buyer momentum might be a little bit exhausted. The market is still filled with quite a lot of fear, even though we're quite bullish the last few days. So I mean, the main thing we're looking for is actually breaking that 70 cents area, I guess. So let's just talk about that scenario as well, because the main scenario for like a bull market is that the FOMO kicks in. And when that would kick in, I mean, in my opinion, we would at least need to break 75 cents. But breaking 70 cents could be enough of a technical catalyst to actually do something like this. See, because I actually think that if we break that 70 cents, we might see a break retest off of 70 cents. But we might then not see a break retest of 75 cents, just because the break off of that 70 cents might be causing enough momentum, I guess you could call it, to actually break through that whole key level. And if we break that 75 cents area, I mean, that's a good indicator that we're actually quite bullish with the whole crypto market. And that's not a small thing to say, but you have to realize that 75 cents as of right now is quite far away. Something like 20% or something, even after such a big move. That's quite a lot. Yeah, so 15%, while Chromia for the week is already up quite a bit, from 45 cents up until 65 cents, so that's almost 30%. So that's the main indicator if we're looking for a bull market. As I said, I don't think we'll break that 70 cents as of right now, but still, I just wanted to include my thoughts on that scenario as well. So that's basically my analysis on Chromia for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.